Hi, in this video, I'm going to do a quick unboxing of the Evenflo transformer. So this is the first stroller to wagon that grows with your family from 1 kid to 2. So this is the box I'm gonna show you. It looks like literally a regular stroller, but somehow it's gonna magically be able to convert into a wagon. So I'm very excited for this. This is gonna be perfect for my vacations when I wanna switch between one mode to another. It's got 6 different modes of use, going from birth to big kids. So this is very cool. I previously tried out the Evenflo Pivot Explorer, which is a similar concept, but it's only a stroller to wagon. It doesn't have this big kid thing and doesn't work nearly as nice as this. So you can look at my other video for that, but let me do this unboxing right now so you can see what's inside. So it comes just like this, all wrapped up in plastic and a lot of cardboard to protect everything. So I'm gonna pull that all off so you can see how it looks. So here I have everything unboxed. So you can see exactly how it looks with all the components. So we got those wheels over there, the tray, the adapter to get that seat on, and the actual frame together with the seat. So let's go set this up and we'll see how it works. Instead of reading the instructions, I'm going to just try to wing it. I'm gonna take the wheels by popping them in over here. When you pop it in, notice that one side is flat. So you gotta find the flat side of this bolt and you just put it in, then push until you hear that click. Now for the other ones, it's just gonna be simple, same setup. You just take these and just slide it in. So once you pop both wheels in, do the same thing on the opposite side. Now you'll have a freestanding frame just like this. To unfold it, you just gotta lift this up on both sides. And over here, it even tells you to unfold. And then you just fold it flat. To pull out the handle, you click this, and you can pull it out. It's got different positions for depending on the height that you want. And here it is, we're almost there. So here's your frame, all set up. So right now we have it in toddler seat mode. So in order to do that, once you click it in, you gotta reach underneath for this buckle right here. And what you do is you pull it tight and you close it just the way I had it. So this supports the seat. Have it bent like this, and you can pull this forward a little if you want. And here's your toddler seat. Over here, you can put in your snack tray. You just line up the grooves on either side, and you slide in until it locks in place. It's got a sun cover, so that's good. Well, over here, just like this. If you want it to be extended, you can open up the zipper, and it gives you some mesh over there, and it pulls out just like this. So you can see how it's nicely protected, so no sun gets in your kid's eyes, but you can get some air over here so you can breathe. Keep them peeking over here if you want to see them, etc. If you want to recline it, you can pull over here, and you can tilt it to different positions. Just like that. So your baby could lay flat and go to sleep. And even when it's up here, you can use these straps to pull it out and let it out however low you want to get the perfect angle for your toddler. So now I'm going to go on and switch it to the wagon. I'll just show you this. Right here are snack trays. These could be separated. I'll show you later when you have 2 kids. But we'll get to that soon. So right now I'm going to, oops, just dropped it. I'm going to switch it to wagon mode so you can see how that works. I forgot to show you, here's the cup holder. So this just goes on over here. You can see where this is. And you can just slide it on and click it into place. So here's your cup holder. It pivots. Some people like that, so it doesn't, crack off. But you just got to make sure your drink stays straight. So hopefully gravity will help hold it in place. And I forgot to show you, here's the buckle. So you could adjust the straps over here. And over here, it's got protection, and it's got this button to click to release them. You can see it's one strap that's woven between here. So that's the harness. It's easy to buckle because it's only 2 clicks instead of multiple. So here's in the lay flat, the bassinet mode. So to get this to this mode, first you could remove the seat to make it easier. You could get down on your hands and knees. But all you're doing is you're releasing the back over here. You're squeezing this, pulling them all the way out so the back falls down. Then you put it back in. You click this handle to tilt it. And you see these gray buttons, line it up to where you got the big dots over here. And then you push everything down. It should be laying flat, just like this. This is the bassinet mode, or the lay flat primate mode, just like this. This is great if your baby wants to sleep. So here it is in car seat mode. So in order to get to this mode, you take out the seat by lifting those, pushing those two buttons on the side, lifting it up. Then we got to put these adapters on, and then you just click it in. So this is the Evenflo dual shift car seat. I removed it from the base, and it drops right in. So let me show you how that works. So here's one of them on. You open up the car seat. This part just goes on just like this. This part comes around. Move this over here. Pull that, locks in place. And you got these two pieces sticking up just like that. Take your car seat. Just goes like that, locks into place. To remove it, you remove it just like a regular car seat. You lift your hand on the back, and then you can just pick it right up. So this is the car seat mode once again. Really easy to use, and I like it that I already have an Evenflo car seat, and it just pops right in, fits perfectly. So now we're going to show you how to get to the wagon mode. So this is the lay flat primate mode, or the bassinet mode. What we're going to do is we're going to take these handles right here. We're going to lift these up, just like this, on this side, and again on this side. And what we're going to do is we're going to push the whole frame down. When that happens, you see how this is like bunched up a little? It's going to spread it apart a little and push the wheels apart a little. And we're going to show you how that works. So you can see how we pushed it down. Now that basket got spread out over here. The wheels are pushed apart a little. And the whole frame over here is lowered down. So to get to this mode, once again, you start out in that bassinet mode. And then we just got to lower these to get to the bottom. So the next step is going to be opening up the zipper. So let me show you how to do that. So if you lift over here, you'll see there's a zipper. You got to undo this whole zipper. Go all the way around. And ta-da! Right here, you have this hole now for the feet of your toddlers. So after we unzipper that, we take that actual seat, and what happens is we fold it just like this on the bottom, and then over here we unfold this. We get to the zipper. We zipper this shut right here, and we take this flat, pull it all the way back, and we tuck it in. You'll see there's a pocket here. We tuck it into the pocket, and inside that pocket is some Velcro that's going to hold this seat in place. So right here, we got the front seat in. It's got the regular buckles. It's got a perfect wagon seat. On the other side, you can see it's got a pocket here. You could open this up, and now you got buckles for this side as well. Right here, you got your buckle. So now you got a buckle for that side and a buckle for this side. This seat is taller, so obviously put the bigger kid over here. Once you have this set up, we can take that snack tray again and put it into here. Sorry about that. When in wagon mode, you actually take it off this bar. You don't use the bar, and you just take the individual trays and you just click them into here. So now you got the two trays sitting flat. If you use the bar, it angles it the wrong way. So over here, you see you got these two set up. And then you can use the canopy if you want. The canopy can go up over here. Actually, can lift that if you want So you can use the canopy just like this if you want to use it to protect them from the sun. The final step is if you want to convert it to wagon mode. So first you lock the wheel so it doesn't slide around, and you just pull on this handle on both sides, and this will be able to convert just like this to a wagon mode, and you can pull it. And remember, because this cup holder pivots, it is still flat, just like this. And you can try to shorten this a little since we don't want to take up so much space. And you can see you can pull it and it moves very nicely. To put it back into the way you want, you can just flip it over here and we'll lock it back into place just by pushing down. If you want to switch it back to toddler mode, you're going to reverse the order of everything we just did. So thank you for watching my video on the transformer, the Evenflo transformer. This is the first stroller to wagon I've ever seen. So this is pretty cool. This canopy we could move down, you can move these bars down. And just to show you the final step is if you have a big kid who you want to put in the wagon mode and you want to put your baby on top in the car seat, that will work as well. I wouldn't necessarily put a third kid over here. That's probably a little too tight. But that's how the Evenflo transformer works. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. I know there's a new stroller and you're all eager to try it out. It's got nice shocks over here. Makes a very comfortable ride. So thanks for watching my video on the Evenflo transformer stroller to wagon. Thank you and have a great day.